Hello, Keynsham residents. Just to let you know, some exercise and well-being classes that are on in Keynsham this week. We have today 5:30 Pilates. If you want to come and try out Pilates, we offer 3 different abilities for the class, 3 different levels, sorry. So that's today at 5:30. On Tuesday, tomorrow, we have 9:30 Pilates for backs, 10:30 stretch, tone and relax. That's one of my most gentlest classes, incorporating stretches and toning and also a lovely relaxation. On Wednesday, have 9:30 Pilates with equipment and 10:50 meditation. Even if you don't think you can meditate, this is the class for you. We just learn techniques to help calm and settle down the mind. We'd love to have you. We're down at the Chocolate Quarters. On Thursday, we have yoga at 5:30 and 7 o'clock. We've got a new beginners yoga at 7 o'clock, which started in January. We still have spaces if you want to join. We would very much love to have you. And on Friday, there's a wellbeing walk. Unfortunately, that's currently full, but it's at 9:30. So if you're interested in another one, do let me know. That's Friday at 9:30. And I forgot one class today. We've got 1:30 introduction to exercise. Most of these classes are in Keynsham and on Zoom. A couple are just on Zoom, which are the 1:30 today. Otherwise, everything is in Keynsham or on Zoom. If you want to find out more, pop a comment below and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.